Hand-drawn Hank, yeah!
Hello, everybody. It's me, Hand-Drawn Hank. Today, I'm going to tell you an amazing story, and then we're going to draw a picture. It's going to be great. But what story should I tell today? I know. I'll tell you a story about a T-Rex and a zebra. It's going to be great. Woo! Once upon a time, in a prehistoric land, there was a dinosaur named Mitch. And he had two friends, Buck and Karen. And they stuck together so they were a herd. Even though they were a herd, it seemed like Mitch was always getting asked to do all the work.
Mitch, I'm hungry. Go hunting.
Hey guys, look here. I got you some meat.
This campsite is a mess. Mitch, clean it up.
No problem, guys. Happy to help the herd.
Mitch, we need more wood for the fire.
Gotta keep that fire going. No problem, everybody. Happy to help the herd.
I'm tired. I think I'll go to bed.
Who's gonna stand guard tonight? Mitch?
Hey, what was that?
Oh boy, my tummy is hungry. Mitch, where's the food?
And as Mitch kept working, he realized this really wasn't fair.
Here you go, guys.
Mitch, the mess.
Yeah, sure. Happy to help the herd.
Hey there, Mitch. Did you forget the wood?
Nope, didn't forget. Just a little busy, doing everything else.
Mitch, guard duty.
Oh boy, I gotta do something about this.
And so Mitch pulled Buck and Karen aside so they could have a talk.
Hey guys, listen. I'm really frustrated because I'm always doing all the work and you guys never do anything.
You do everything? Oh my, Mitch. Why don't you stop thinking about only yourself?
Yeah, Mitch. You're being pretty selfish.
I'm being selfish? I'm just asking for a little help.
Why don't you stop making problems?
Yeah.
Can't believe you guys are treating me like this.
Hey, Mitch. It's dinner time.
Hey, Mitch. This only here's hey, Mitch. Here's your meat.
Oh, Mitch, the mess.
So angry to take the bones, get that straight.
Mitch, firewood.
Yeah. Here's your no good firewood.
Mitch, guard duty.
I'm so.
But Mitch had finally had enough when they asked him to clean their toes.
I will not clean your toes. I will not get your food or get your firewood or clean up your mess. That's it. I'm through. You two need to do your part.
How dare you! If you were our friend, you would get our food.
Yeah. If you were our friend, you would clean up our mess.
If you want to be our friend, then get that firewood.
And guess who's standing guard tonight?
You either do what we say, or you're not our friend.
Mitch didn't want to leave, but he also knew he couldn't stay. He knew that is not the way friends treat each other.
Well, if that's the way you guys want it, then goodbye.
And so Mitch set off, scared and alone.
Oh, he'll be back. He's nothing without us.
Yeah.
Mitch walked and walked and walked.
Hello there. What you doing?
Not too much, man. I'm stuck in a cage.
Oh yeah, right. Sorry.
So, are you gonna bust me out of here, or what?
Mitch really didn't know how to get the zebra out of the cage, but he figured he'd give it a shot.
I really gave it my all. I'm sorry I couldn't help.
Well, I really appreciate you trying. Wait a minute, I have an idea. Hey, go over there, grab that rock, and bring your stick. We're busting out of here.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, nice work. Now just toss it on the ground. Now, just wedge that stick between the rock and the cage. Jump on that stick, and we are out of here! Yeah, boy!
Yeah!
Hey, thanks for saving me. What's your name anyway?
Oh, my name's Mitch. Mitch the T-Rex. Nice to meet you. And what's your name?
Hey, Mitch the T-Rex. My name is Ella, the adventure zebra. Oh yeah!
And so, Mitch the T-Rex and Ella the adventure zebra set off on their own new adventure. One day, they both had a new and interesting idea. They could be their own herd. And in this herd, they all did their part, they all shared the work, and they always thanked each other for all that they did.
Hey, thanks a lot, Mitch. Firewood!
Hey, thanks a lot, Ella. You're the best.
Thanks for cleaning up, Mitch. Hey, what was that?
Thanks for standing guard last night, Ella.
Mitch the T-Rex and Ella the adventure zebra had such a great herd that other animals wanted to join. And their herd grew and grew and grew. One day, when Mitch was cleaning up, he came across his old friends, Buck and Karen. And they looked worn out and tired.
Hey, Mitch, we want you to come back to the herd.
Yeah, we really miss having you around.
But Mitch knew what that really meant was they wanted him to do all the work again because they didn't want to do it themselves.
Listen, guys, I have new friends now and a new herd. And in this herd, everybody helps and everybody does their part. You guys are more than welcome to join our herd, but you have to chip in and you have to help.
Now, Buck and Karen did not like this one bit. They did not want to help, they did not want to chip in, and they did not want to be good friends. They got so angry that their true colors showed.
You think you can say no to us?
We'll show you, and you'll be sorry.
So Buck and Karen decided they were going to spread mean and terrible lies all about Mitch and Ella. And those terrible two spread all their lies to anyone who would listen. Mitch knew what terrible things were being said about him, and he felt all alone and isolated and like there was nothing he could do. But his friends and his herd never believed those lies, and Mitch was happy again, knowing that those who really loved him would never believe such terrible, terrible filth. Mitch had his herd, whom he loved, and they loved him too. Guess what? It's drawing time! Drawing time! Woo! Hi, everybody! For drawing time today, we're going to draw Mitch the T-Rex. Let's go! First, let's draw those eyes. Here we go. Beep, beep, beep. Good job! Now, we're going to draw the top of his snout, just like this. And bring it down like that. Next, we're just going to let that snout come down and curve up to form the bottom of his mouth. Let's go! Good job! Next, let's draw his nostrils. Easy peasy. Good job! Now, let's draw the top of his head. Just like that. Looking good. Now, let's draw his mouth. Good job. Now, a T-Rex is a carnivore, so let's give him them sharp teeth with those zigzags. Zig-zag, 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 zig. Good job. Now, we're gonna draw the back of his neck and come all the way down to make his tail, like this. All right. Before we do anything else, let's draw his arms. Short little T-Rex arms. Now, T-Rex only has 2 little fingers. So we just go bump, bump, claw, claw. And now it's my favorite part. Let's shade. Woo! Now, let's draw his belly. Nice work. Let's draw his leg. And his foot. And let's do 3 toes and 3 claws. Bump, bump, bump. 1 claw, 2 claw, 3 claws. Let's shade. Whoop, whoop. Good job. Let's bring that line all the way back to make his tail. All right. Let's draw another line for the outside of his stomach. And this will come up like that. Whoop. All right. And let's draw some lines. Whoop, 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 whoop. Ta-da! Looking good. Let's draw his other hand. 1, bump, bump, whoop, claw, claw, and let's shade. Good job. And his other foot. Whoop, bump, bump, bump. 1 claw, 2 claw, 3 claws, let's shade! Now, if you want, you can also add the spikes to his back, like this, if you want. Boom, boom, cool. Boom, boom, looking good. Boom, boom, I like it. Boom, boom, nice work. Boom, boom, okie dokie. Boom, boom, nice. Boom, boom, couple more. Boom, boom, make them smaller. Beep, beep, almost done. Ta-da! And just like that, we drew an awesome T-Rex. Good job! You did great! Way to go! Woohoo! Remember, if you liked what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe below. And this has been Hand Drawn Hank! Woo! Hand Drawn Hank, yeah!